Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote here. I've gotten questions on ovens lately about whether you actually need a circulating fan, and the best answer I can give people is that if you cook a light color, a white or a pink at max temp and you don't have a circulating fan, you're running into the potential, I guess, of scorching the top and the bottom because the heat is going to pool and it's also going to radiate up straight off of your whatever your heat source is. A couple of things. You can get a cheap fan from Granger, just build a little homemade duct and run it through your oven. It's going to suck in on one end and blow out on the other. That's all you need, is just to create convection in there. The other tip I give people is buy just a sheet metal basically and put that over top of your heat source if it's flat on the bottom, so that heat doesn't radiate straight up off of those eyelets. It kind of pushes it out to the walls and then it goes up, and it's also easier when you have your fan over there for it to pick that air up and circulate it around. It'll keep you from having those issues with things kind of crisping up in the oven, and even with the darker colors it'll make it dry a lot more evenly. Just a quick tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your stencil needs. Have a great day.